Israel and the Iran-backed Hezbollah militant group have agreed to yet another ceasefire, but only after a sharp escalation in fighting in Lebanon. The fresh violence threatened to derail a US-Iran framework agreement signed by the US and Iranian presidents this week, as technical talks due to begin in Switzerland were unexpectedly cancelled overnight.
These are the scenes so many in Lebanon hoped would finally be behind them after the signing of the deal between the US and Iran this week, which was intended to end fighting on all fronts. Instead, today brought more bloodshed, with almost 50 people killed in Israeli airstrikes in southern Lebanon, including children, prompting thousands of residents to once again flee their homes. Israel claimed it was retaliating after a Hezbollah drone left 4 of its soldiers dead, with the country's far-right minister Itamar Ben-Gvir later warning that all of Lebanon must burn. The escalation appears to have had wider implications too. Initial peace talks and a ceremonial signing of the US-Iran deal were due to take place here in Switzerland today, but were abruptly cancelled, with Iranian officials reportedly citing the surge in violence. Then, this afternoon, after an apparent intervention from US President Donald Trump, came news that a ceasefire had been agreed between Israel and Hezbollah. But not even an hour later, fresh, familiar plumes of smoke were once again filling the skies above southern Lebanon and dampening hopes that the truce can hold. Tonight, it was announced that another round of Lebanese-Israeli talks will be held in Washington, D.C. from Tuesday. But crucially, once again, Hezbollah will not be involved. Kate Varley, RTÉ News.